with me. You practiced.
Guys, I'm just going to let this one go. What happened was I was talking to you, but I hadn't pressed record. So, anyway, Miss Clark is here. She'll come pay a little cameo in a moment. But hello, APs, Appleters. I don't know what I want to call you guys yet. I guess I call you my babies, but I shouldn't because that demeans you. But anyway, I digress. So I am going to post the synopses of the 27 novels in just a minute on your Google Classrooms. Tomorrow, I will post the sign-up sheet at 11 a.m. promptly on each Google Classroom. So don't be late to the party. See, she's excited. Oh, I pointed the wrong way because it's like a mirror. Science. I don't get it. Anyway, I'm about to post the synopses of each book so you guys can look at it. I will post the sign-up sheet tomorrow at 11. If you or a friend are working or taking care of siblings and won't have time to get on at that time, since it's first come, first serve, make sure you are in touch with your prospective group members and they can sign you up for it at that time. The sign up will be up from 11 a.m. until 2 p.m. tomorrow, and then I'm going to close it out. So I'll send reminds about that. So for now, just go ahead and start your assignment for today, which I gave directions on yesterday. And then in just a moment, you will see where I'm going to post a synopsis of each book for you. Okay? All right. Until tomorrow, kiddos. I might be more with it or less with it. I don't know. We'll see. Hope you guys are having a good day. Bye.